Ireland, known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality, is a wonderful destination for travelers. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Dublin, the charming countryside, or the rugged coasts, effective communication is key to enhancing your experience. While English is the most widely spoken language in Ireland, Irish, Gaeilge, is also an official language, and you'll see signs and hear conversations in both languages in certain regions. Understanding key words and phrases in both languages can give you an extra edge during your travels. Whether you're navigating public transport, ordering food in a local pub, or simply engaging with friendly locals, knowing how to communicate with ease will help make your journey smoother and more memorable. Here's a guide to some key words and phrases to help you communicate while traveling in Ireland, along with their Irish Gaeilge translations. These tips will not only help you understand, but also appreciate the rich linguistic heritage of Ireland. Subscribe for more adventures. Greetings are the first step in any interaction, and in Ireland they often come with a smile and a friendly conversation starter. Here are some useful greetings. Hello, this is a universal greeting, but in Irish it's dia duit, pronounced dia gwit. This literally means God be with you. How are you? In Ireland, it's common to ask how someone is. The English phrase is how are you, and the Irish translation is conas ata tu, pronounced conas ata tu. Good morning. The English phrase is good morning, and in Irish, it's dia duit ar maiden, pronounced dia gwit ar majin. Good evening. In Irish, trathnona maith, pronounced tra nona ma, is used to greet someone in the evening. Goodbye. While you can simply say goodbye in English, in Irish, you can say slán, pronounced slán, which means safe or goodbye. Tip: even if you can't speak Irish fluently, using these simple phrases can make a big impression on locals. They'll appreciate the effort to connect with their heritage. Being polite is important wherever you travel, and Ireland is no exception. Here are some common phrases to ensure you're being courteous. Please. The English word please is the same in both languages. In Irish, it's le do toile, pronounced le do hull, which means with your will. Thank you. The English phrase thank you is common in Ireland, but in Irish you can say go rive maith agat, pronounced gu rev ma agut. This phrase literally means may you have good. Excuse me. The polite phrase excuse me can be used in English, but in Irish you can say gab mo lítsiel, pronounced gau mo líscale, meaning pardon me. Sorry. In English, sorry is the go-to phrase when apologizing. In Irish, you can use tá bron orm, pronounced tá bron or im, which means I'm sorry. Tip: Irish people are known for being warm and welcoming. Showing respect with polite words, especially in both languages, can help you create positive interactions. Navigating around Ireland can be a lot easier if you know how to ask for directions. Here are some phrases that will come in handy when you're lost or trying to find your way around. Where is the bathroom? In English, the standard question is, where is the bathroom? In Irish, you can ask cab fuil and siomra folkta, pronounced ca will and shumra folkta. How do I get to the bus station? If you're traveling via public transport, you might need to ask for the bus station. In Irish, this would be conas a thaim chuig and station bus, pronounced conas a haim quig and station bush. Is it far? When you're trying to determine how far a location is, simply ask and bafuil say I bfad, pronounced un will she iwad. Can you help me? If you need assistance, ask an féidir lit cabru liom, pronounced un féidir lat cavru lim. Tip: locals will usually provide directions with warmth and clarity, and while you may not get all the words in Irish, they'll be glad you're trying to understand their language. Ireland is famous for its hearty food, delicious local brews, and vibrant pub culture. Whether you're in a cozy cafe or a lively pub, here are some essential phrases. I would like. The polite way to order something in English is I would like. In Irish, you would say ba mhaith liom, pronounced ba wa liam, followed by the item you want to order. A pint of Guinness, please. A classic order in an Irish pub. In English, you'd simply say a pint of Guinness, please. In Irish, it's pianta Guinness le do toile, pronounced pinta Guinness le do hull. Can I have the bill? When you're ready to pay, you can ask in English, can I have the bill? In Irish, ask an féidir liom and bille a fail, pronounced un féidir lim and bille a fall. Is this vegetarian? For vegetarians or those with dietary restrictions, you might ask an bifuil se glasre, pronounced un will she glasri, which means is it vegetarian? Tip: Irish pubs are wonderful places to strike up conversations. Be sure to use some of these food-related phrases to make the experience even more enjoyable. Shopping in Ireland can be an enjoyable experience, from browsing local artisan markets to picking up souvenirs. Here are some words and phrases that will help you when shopping. how much is this? If you want to inquire about the price of an item, in English you can ask, how much is this? The Irish equivalent is si mhid atase, pronounced kevad atashe. I'll take it. Once you decide on something, simply say, togfide me e, pronounced tofai me a in Irish, meaning I'll take it. Do you have? When asking for a specific item, you can say in English, do you have? The Irish translation is an beach fuil, agat, pronounced will agut. Where can I find? If you're looking for something specific, you might ask ka faidir liam a fail, pronounced cow faidir lim a fall, meaning where can I find? Tip Ireland has many unique shops and markets. Don't be afraid to engage with shopkeepers and try to use some Irish words for a memorable shopping experience. Hopefully, your trip to Ireland will be smooth sailing, but it's important to know how to handle any unexpected situations. Here are some essential phrases for emergencies. I need help. In an emergency, you can ask Taim e nangatar, pronounced Tom e nagutar, which means I am in trouble. Call an ambulance. If you need medical help, say Gloi aran other char, pronounced Glui air and ohar kar, meaning call an ambulance. Where is the nearest hospital? In an emergency, it's useful to know how to ask for the nearest hospital. Cabfuil and Ospedale is Gair, pronounced Ka will an Ospedale ISS Gay Ra. Tip Ireland is known for its excellent healthcare system, and locals are always willing to assist travelers in need. Socializing in Ireland is often relaxed and full of good humor. Here are some phrases that will help you make friends and enjoy the crack. Fun. What's the crack? This is a classic Irish phrase for asking what's going on, or how are you? It's often used among friends or new acquaintances. Would you like to join us? If you're inviting someone to join a group, say an mhaith lit teached lin, pronounced an walat tok lin, let's go for a pint. If you're inviting someone to the pub, say togfide me pint, pronounced tofai me pint, meaning let's have a pint. Tip: if you're traveling in a more rural part of Ireland, you may find that locals appreciate your efforts to speak Irish, and they'll likely engage with you in a friendly manner. Learning key words and phrases for smooth communication while traveling in Ireland will not only make your trip easier, but also help you connect with the locals on a deeper level. Whether you're greeting someone in Gaelic, ordering food, or asking for directions, showing that you're willing to learn their language goes a long way. While English is the predominant language, incorporating some basic Irish phrases into your conversations will earn you respect and warm interactions. So, as you travel through the rolling hills of the countryside, stroll along Dublin's historic streets, or sip Guinness in a cozy pub, remember to embrace the beauty of both the English and Irish languages. Slán agus beannacht. Goodbye and blessings. Subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels.